Hello friends, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are at Merlin 5th Avenue, which is a residential project by Merlin Group located in Mohisbathan, Salt Lake City, Kolkata. The project is at walking distance from Sector 5, Salt Lake, an emerging CBD, the IT capital of Eastern India, New Town, and the Manhattan of Kolkata. So this is the main entrance gate of the project, and now we are going inside the project. The nearby schools to this project are APJ School and St. John's School. The nearby hospitals are Apollo Hospital, ILS Hospital and Anand Lok Hospital. And the nearby institutes to this project are IIT Vidyasagar and the Institute of Engineering and Management. So let me tell you that it's an under construction project and the date of possession as decided by the builder will be in June 2020. The project is spread over an area of 4.22 acres. It carries 5 blocks having up to 23 floors and total 441 apartments. The configuration of the apartments will be 3 BHK and 6 BHK. The project offers multiple amenities to residents in a prime location, from 24-hour security services and landscape gardens to a jogging track, power backup facilities, indoor game facilities, and car parking facilities. There is something to cater to every modern requirement. Some innovative amenities at this project include maintenance services and door-to-door delivery services along with laundry provisions. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more updates on real estate, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for real estate booking, call us on the number given below. Thank you, Regrob.com.